Redbird.
What?
Well, I want to do a prank on you.
I usually hate your pranks. They irritate me. Good to hear that. I'm glad to hear that. Yeah, I bet you are. Little green fuck. Oh, hey! That's not kind. Well, you are my annoying son. Brat son. Yeah, you're right. I am so irritatable. Haha. Now, let's do this prank. I swear to God, if it's a rude prank, I swear. Lose it. Uh-oh. You'll have fun with this prank, alright? Haha. I hope you die soon. You'll be what died soon. This bomb inside this pumpkin. This will be fun. Go. Soon, initial weight. Ha ha ha. Go. What is this? A pumpkin? Yes, it'll explode. What? Ah! Ha ha ha! King Pig! You're about to be grounded. Uh-oh. Oh! Oh! You're grounded. Grounded.